Hello guys, you can see Atlas AI is a very good legit platform and they are paying. Today I just confirmed that they are paying. So this is the amount I made today. So this platform Atlas AI is a very legit platform. They are paying and I have gotten my payment. So you can see I got paid today $21. I got paid and how the payment works that they pay every 7th of every month and 21st of every month. So and the minimum payout is $20. If you have $20, they will pay you. They can pay you. Supported payment is crypto and Wise, but I advise you to use crypto. Don't use Wise. If you go to your Binance, you copy your crypto wallet. The crypto wallet you submit is your ERC20. That is USDT ERC20. That's what you are going to submit. So for the payment they are paying is working. I've tried it and it's working for me. You can see the amount I got paid today, $21. This money now is in my account. Let me show you. So I got this payment in my crypto wallet today. So it's legit. You can see $21 is there in my wallet. That working. You can see the $21 is there in my account. So if you want to link your crypto wallet to the Atlas AI capture website, so this is how you're going to do it. You're going to click add funds. If you click add funds, so you click deposit crypto, you search for USDT because that's what you're going to be using. When you click USDT, you search for the network you are going to use ERC20. This ERC20, then you click copy. If you copy this like this, then you go to your Atlas AI capture website. That place where you see link payment method, then you click link payment method, you select USDT, then you press this address, then that's where they are going to be sending your payment. So it's very simple. You can see the website is paying, is very good, is legit. So there is nothing to worry about it, whether payment is real, everything is legit. So I received the money in my Binance account. So if you have not registered, I will drop the link for you to register. You have seen the amount I earned from Atlas AI. So if you want to link your payment method, this is you click this update payment method, then that's where you are going to link that address you copied. This is where you are going to link it. Come here, click this update method, then you click it, then you just need to come to this payment. Then if you click payment, it will show you like this. Then you come down, then you link it. This is how it works. So guys, if you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, use this opportunity to subscribe. Subscription is free. It means that any day I release video like this, you'll be the first to receive it, to see it before any other person. Subscription is free. You don't need to pay money to subscribe. So if you subscribe, you start getting updates from me. I do post video like this, video how show you how to make money online and other things. So please, if you like this video, do well to subscribe, like, share, do everything that you're supposed to do to push this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next other video. So if you want to learn how to do this annotation, how to do the labeling, check my other video. I also posted video about this labeling and all that. This thing. The video is quite long, but you have to watch it. If you watch it from beginning to the end, you understand how to do it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next other time in my next video. Thank you so much.